In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to CC in Gmail. CC or carbon copy is a simple but powerful email feature that lets you include additional people in a conversation, so they can see the message without being the main recipient. This is really useful for keeping colleagues, managers, or clients in the loop without emailing each person separately. Let's start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing into your account. Once you're on your inbox, look for the Compose button, usually in the upper left corner. Click that, and a new message window will open, either in the bottom right corner or as a full-screen window, depending on your settings. At the top of this message, you'll see the To field. This is where you type the primary recipient's email address, the person you're directly contacting. To add people in CC, look for the small CC option, usually to the right of the To field. Click on CC and a new field labeled CC will appear underneath. Now, in that CC field, type the email addresses of anyone you want to keep copied on the message. You can add more than one address here. Just separate each address with a comma or press Enter after each one. Everyone listed in To and CC will be able to see all the other addresses. So keep that in mind for privacy. Next, move to the subject line and type a clear, concise subject so people immediately understand what the email is about. Below that is the main body of your email. Write your message as you normally would, but be mindful that everyone in the CC field will also read it. If you're including someone in CC just for visibility, you can mention it briefly, for example, by adding a short note like, "Copying the team here for awareness." Before you send, take a moment to double-check the To and CC fields. Make sure the right people are in each one, and that you haven't accidentally put someone in CC who shouldn't see the whole conversation. This quick review can prevent awkward situations or information being shared too widely. When everything looks good, click the Send button. Your message will go to the main recipient as well as everyone you added in CC. That's all there is to it. By understanding how and when to use CC in Gmail, you'll keep your communication organized, transparent, and professional without sending unnecessary separate emails to each person.